On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2012 Skyline Walkabout 32RKS. This lightweight fifth wheel is made to be easily towable, and it's built to support all your fun-filled weekends. The inside is a refreshingly simple and inviting living space with lots of character. Relax and enjoy your meals in the booth dinette with family and friends. A compact and efficient kitchen is filled with all the amenities you need. There's a microwave with a vent hood above the 3-burner range and an oven below. An L-shaped counter extends, giving you plenty of space for food prep and cooking. There are lots of drawers below and an ample row of well-lit storage cabinets above. This kitchen makes it easy to provide everyone with meals and snacks, while traveling away from home. The main living area includes 2 recliners perfect for relaxing in front of the fireplace or watching the game. There's even a comfy reading chair for when you want to be closer to the fire. Up the stairs, and towards the front, the bedroom has a queen-sized bed with a nightstand on one side, a large mirrored wardrobe and extra closet space across the front wall. At the foot of the bed is a chest of drawers and wall-mounted TV above. To the left, the bedroom has a separate access door to the bathroom which includes a countertop sink, and well-lit mirrored medicine cabinet above. There is also a corner shower with a skylight and textured glass doors. This lightweight Skyline Walkabout makes it stress-free for you and your family to pack up and hit the road. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.